let's plant our Christmas Amaryllis. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to be planting our Christmas Amaryllises. We've got 3 of these. We've got a red one, we have got a white one, and we have got a pink one. So yeah, we've got 3 Amaryllises to plant, which I am looking forward to. Usually we just grow one, but I saw all 3 colours and I thought, why not plant them all? So yeah, we've got all 3 of these Amaryllises. Now you can get these from most garden centres and wholesale stores. They're selling them now, and they take about 16 weeks to flower, so possibly looking around January time. Now the main thing with Amaryllises is that you don't cover them fully with compost, and you don't water them after you've watered them the first time. You water them when they start to flower. So these can grow really tall, so make sure you're growing them somewhere warm, somewhere with sunlight, and yeah, grow them in your house or your flat. So let's get these out, let's get these planted, and then we'll take them home to start them growing and hopefully get some beautiful flowers on them. I wonder which one's going to flower first. I'm guessing the red one. Let me know in the comments which one you think will flower first. Now these are the packs that we've got. We've got the pink one, we've got the red one, and we've got the white one. Now the pink bulb is absolutely massive compared to the other 2, so I'm guessing that might have more flowers on it than the other ones, but we'll see how well they get on. As you can see, they're starting to come to life already, so yeah, we do need to get these in the ground and get them planted in these pots. They used to come in actual proper pots, but it looks like they're just giving you plastic pots now, which I'm not too keen on, but we'll see if we've got some proper pots to put them in to take them home. Now they've actually put proper compost in. Before, it's been that one that you put water on it to expand it, but it looks like we've got some proper compost in these. So yeah, let's get them in the compost and ready to take home. Now there's no holes in these pots, so if you are wanting to put them in a proper pot, you'll obviously need to put holes in them for drainage. So that's what we'll do. We'll put some holes in them so that they can drain and let the water out. So I've now put plenty of holes in them so that they get plenty of drainage and they don't get too waterlogged. So yeah, let's get the bulbs in. So they're not the best pots that I've found, but they will do. This one's alright, this one's just the right size, but these 2 and they're struggling to fit in. But oh well, they'll do. But yeah, just to remind myself that the pink one's in the grey one, the red one's in the white one, and the white one's in the purple one. So let's take these home. I'm not going to water them here because obviously I don't want water getting everywhere on the way home. So we're going to take them home, give them some water, and put them in a nice sunny position. So I've now brought them home and I've labelled them up so that I know which ones are which, as I've found better pots to fit them in, which is better. They fit nicely snug into them. So yeah, we just need to give them a water and hopefully they'll get growing. I just need to make sure shoots pop upwards. But if they're in a well lit place, they'll go towards the sun, so you might have to keep turning them around. And we've also found last year's out as well, which has got 2 bulbs on it. It's got like a little side shoot popping out of it, so we might get 2 plants growing off that one. But yeah, let's give them a water and get them going. So we've now given them a nice little drink of water, not too much, but hopefully enough to get them going. And we probably won't water them again until they start to flower, because that's what you usually do apparently. So they say that it should take about 16 weeks for them to flower. So we'll see, it might be January or it might be earlier in Christmas. We'll see, but I don't know what colour that one is. I think it's red. But yeah, let's hope they grow well. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and on Instagram, because I'll be sharing on my stories how well they're getting on. So if you don't check out my stories, check out my Facebook and Instagram stories, and you will be able to see how well they're getting on and which one's winning. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.